Thanks for tuning in again, everyone. Just wanted to preface this video. So there was a ton of weather warnings that came out promising 30 to 50 centimeters and lots of winter snow action, and we were pretty excited about that. So we headed out Friday night and we looked on the weather map and we looked at an area that was forecasting to be purple. So that what purple means on the forecast map obviously is more precipitation, and 50 plus centimeters it was calling for. So we were excited. So Friday night we headed out. We're gonna beat the snow, we're gonna set up camp, and we're gonna enjoy this huge snowfall. We're gonna call it Snowmaggedon. It's not quite what happened, but we still had an amazing weekend. It was well worth getting out of town and back into the mountains again. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this one. It is camping near the James River, and we did get a bit of snow. Yeah, we got a little bit of snow. But either way, it was a fun weekend. Thanks for tuning in. After meeting up with Joe and Rick, we made our way all the way to Bearberry. From there, we're going to head down to the Forestry Trunk Road and head to the James River area. Dave was going to meet up with us there, so we waited on the side of the road for Dave to meet up with us before we headed into the campsite. After meeting up with Dave, we took a little bit of a road down to the James River where we set up camp. It was actually a really nice spot. One thing we did notice though, there was stars out. So the storm that we were expecting totally bypassed us. But it was nice, it was beautiful. And we can see the moon starting to show through the trees. And man, what a beautiful night. So the whole night we got to listen to this beautiful creek here. That's soothing, puts you to sleep. It's pretty cool. This is a beautiful little spot. I love how the rock walls just follow the creek all the way down. Check it out. Man, I love Alberta. So beautiful in here right now. Of course, no morning is complete until you have your camp coffee. All right, beautiful campsite last night. Actually get to see it this morning. Came in here in the dark. What are you doing, Joe?
I was just relocating. Chainsaw to roof.
Tetris on the roof. Joe's got a nice setup. We'll go over that later. Hey, Dave.
Hey, Jay.
Dave's cooking breakfast.
I am cooking breakfast.
Ooh, what are you cooking?
Making some Maplewood smoked bacon, some ground chuck patties, and I'm gonna have 3 eggs as well. I'm on a new carnivore diet, so.
Oh, smells amazing, by the way, guys.
It does.
Absolutely.
Yes, it does.
And we got.
Doesn't have the smell option. Camera doesn't have the smell option.
Yeah, smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision.
Oh, smell that.
You gotta get the latest television.
No kidding, eh? You could make money if you made smell-o-vision.
Sure.
Might be a bad thing, actually. That's it. Got Rick here as well. Hey, Rick.
Morning.
And he's out here with his new Gladiator.
Yeah.
On 37s. So, yeah, it's pretty cool rig. He's got it nicely set up. We'll go over his rig. If you remember when we were on the Four Corners expedition, we did a walk around Big Blue. So we're going to do a walk around the new rig as well. So, you guys introduce you to the new Gladiator in the group. And of course, I've got my Jeep, still pretty much the same old setup. Can't complain. So, all in all, beautiful night. Not the snow we were expecting. We were expecting Snowmaggedon. We didn't get it. We got out here. It was beautiful. No clouds in the sky whatsoever. It was pretty interesting. I think the storm just bypassed us and hit the prairies over there. Oh well, I'm not gonna complain. It was a beautiful night. It was a beautiful spot. Super beautiful spot. What you doing? Oh, hi, puppy. All right, our clear patch has ended. Looks like we're getting the snow now. Starting to come down, starting to get a little bit chillier. You can see the actual river down here starting to freeze over. Getting a little skim of snow on the ice. It's actually pretty cool. So looks like we are going to get Snowmaggedon after all. It's going to be a fun night. We got our shelter set up, so we're hoping for a ton of snow, and it's starting to come. That's awesome. Really excited for it. But it's going to be cozy in here. We got her set up nice. So my wife says I never ever use this awning, and as you can see, we're in here nice and toasty warm, using the awning. Snowmaggedon just ended up being a kind of a chill weekend out camping. You know, that's okay. It was pretty fun. Sure glad I brought my buddy heater though. Got to -14 overnight. Well, morning time. Time for camp coffee and my famous keto porridge. Then after we were done having breakfast, we decided to pack up camp and head home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Then that way you'll be notified when there's future videos coming out. Hey everyone, was doing business with Aaron at Mobile One the other day, and I mentioned that I like to support a lot of local businesses, and if it would be okay to give him a shout out on the next video. And he very generously said that if somebody comes in, mentions Overland, Alberta, he'll take 10% off the bill, which is awesome. So where you can, support local, guys.